Even at the same age, different people may not have same diet. For example, a boy's diet at the age is different than girl's diet. Even the balanced diet varies from place to place and season to season. For getting a balanced diet, it is not necessary to have expensive food material. In fact, simple meal can also serve the purpose. For example, mixture of cereals, mixture of rice with bajra, java and ragi, use of sprouted seeds, use of fruits like banana, guava, apple, plenty of green vegetables, fermented food like idli. This is all good for health. We should also make sure that the food is cooked correctly. For example, cutting the vegetables or fruits and then washing them may lead to removal of essential nutrients. Repeated washing of rice and pulses can also cause removal of nutrients. If excess of water is used during cooking, then also some nutrients get removed from food. Junk food often contain large amount of fats, but no or very little amount of other nutrients. In unhygienic conditions, it may also contain disease-causing agents. So, do you think eating junk food is right choice? No, it is not. In fact, it often causes many problems such as digestive problems, obesity, and many more. Improper nutrition results in malnutrition. If the particular nutrient is very less or not available for longer time, then it leads undernutrition or undernourishment. Likewise, getting too much of nutrients causes overnourishment or also called overnutrition. Both undernutrition and overnutrition are malnutrition. It causes abnormal development of body parts, stunted growth and similar problems. So, having a balanced diet is not only important but also essential for everyone's body. Our food must contain all the essential nutrients in right quantity. Such food is called balanced diet. Sometimes a certain nutrients is missing from the diet. The lack of nutrients in the diet over longer period causes diseases or disorders in our body called as deficiency diseases or also called as nutritional deficiency. Let's have a look at some of the common deficiency diseases. Protein and carbohydrate deficiency. Our body needs protein for growth and maintenance. These are the building blocks of muscles, skin, chemicals in body such as hormones and enzymes, etc. Deficiency of protein lead to stunted growth, face swelling, discoloration of the hair, different skin diseases and diarrhea. If the diet is deficient in protein as well as carbohydrate over a long time, then there is a threat of stopping the growth completely. A person in such case is lean and thin. He becomes so weak that it is even difficult to him for move. Minerals deficiency. Calcium is essential for strong teeth and bones. It is also important for muscle movement and nervous system. Deficiency of calcium causes muscular cramps, abnormal heartbeat, etc. Iron is necessary for making a protein called hemoglobin in red blood cell. Hemoglobin helps in carrying the oxygen from lungs to other parts of the body. Deficiency of iron results in lack of hemoglobin and therefore lack of red blood cells. It causes poor absorption of oxygen, which leads to fatigue, poor performance in work, which often lead to disease called anemia. Iodine is needed for making thyroid hormone, which helps to carry out chemical processes and keep cells healthy. Deficiency of iodine causes poor growth and development of body, especially it leads to mental retardation in children. It causes deficiency disease called goiter, in which thyroid gland present in the neck swells abnormally. Vitamin deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency causes poor vision. It may cause night blindness or even complete blindness. Deficiency of vitamin D causes poor absorption of calcium, and so bones become soft and weak. The disease is called rickets. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi disease, which causes weak muscle and very little energy to work. Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy, a disease. There is bleeding from germs, inability of body to heal wounds, which causes lots of blood and other diseases.